Hi all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Riti Kumari and I am back with another video on the OOP series. So here we would be having a quick look on lecture number 14 where we would be having some discussions over inheritance. So basically this term inheritance, we have been hearing about it quite a lot. This class has been derived from this class has, this is the base class, this is the derived class, this class is inheriting properties from this particular class and much more thing. So here we would be clearing all the doubts about what inheritance is all about and everything. So basically let's have a quick look. So before moving forward in the video, are you someone who is looking to upskill yourself? Are you someone who is applying to jobs but getting rejected, even if you are a working professional or a student? So you are at the very right place. Newton School Full Stack Development Program would help you to upskill yourself and get yourself job ready. There are mentors from top-notch companies like Amazon, Google, Flipkart and much more, who would be helping you from the very scratch to develop all the skills and get yourself job ready. There are 1500 plus students who have been placed into 800 plus companies like Google, Flipkart, Zomato, Xiaomi, Razorpay, Snapdeal, TCS and much more. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and apply. The link is in the description. So inheritance. The ability of creating a new class from an existing class. So what does this mean? So basically whenever we are creating a new class, consider there is a class A. Okay. This is an existing class. Now I am creating a new class, class B, where I am using this existing class. So this is called as inheritance. So basically class A was something which was pre-existing. Now I have created a new class, class B, where I have used this access specifier and then the class name. So basically we achieve inheritance by this. So one class which is being present and I want all the properties of this particular class in my child class. So what I do is I use the inheritance concept. So basically how we can achieve inheritance is this particular thing we follow. So class, here we give the derived class. So class keyword, then the derived class name, and then there is a colon, and then we give access specifier and then the base class name. So basically like this, class keyword, then the derived class name, then the access specifier and then the base class name with this colon. So basically in this way we derived a class like a base class, and so this particular class is called as base class. This particular class is called as child class, or we can also call it as a derived class. So basically why we need inheritance, what is the use of inheritance? So inheritance is like one of the most important features of object oriented programming. Inheritance is a process in which like new classes are being created from the existing classes. So the new classes which are being created are called as derived class or the child class, and the pre-existing classes from which we derive properties are called as base class. So basically when we say that, like we are saying the term derived class is inheriting properties from the base class. So it means that derived class, like this is the child class or this is the derived class. So basically the child class is inheriting all the properties of base class. Like whatever properties are present in the base class, all of the properties of base class is derived by the child class without any changing, without any additional feature adding, like everything, like whatever this is present in the base class is present in the child class without any modification. Now we can do modification as per our use cases, but all the things which are present in the base class, the properties, is derived into the derived class. So basically there is also a term called as, you might have heard, subclass and superclass. So basically subclass is the one which derives properties. So basically child class is called as subclass And since like a base class is something which is super, you can understand in this way that that is a super class and we are deriving its properties in subclass. So base class is also called as super class. So now you would be thinking ki, okay, inheritance is a term which is existing. It is an important property of OOPS. But what is the need of inheritance? So consider that there is a class called as animal. Okay. Now there are some subclasses such as dog, bird, cat, and many more classes. Now as you can see na, ki there is some properties in animal which is supposed to be in every, like dog, bird, cat. Consider eat. So eating is a property, like dog also eats, bird also eats, cat also eats, and some of the more animals also eats. So what we do now, we define this particular property in class animal. But if I am not deriving dog's property from class animal, or bird's property from class animal, or cat property as well, so I have to explicitly mention eat property here as well, eat property here as well, and eat property here as well. So you can see that there is much of duplicacy of codes which will be there, and there could be also some chances of errors or duplicacy and much more things. So since we don't want some duplicate codes like 1, 2 or 3 times, so what we do to avoid these type of situation, we use the inheritance. So inheritance, what we do is we create a class animal. Here we give the property as eat, and all the classes like dog, bird, and cat we inherit from the class animal. So in this way, whenever we inherit some property from this particular class animal, and consider it is having a property as eat, and dog is being derived from this class, bird is being derived from this class, and cat is being derived from this class. So since these are the derived classes, and as I told that derived classes have all the properties present in the base classes, so now this will also have a method as eat, this will also have a method as eat, this will also have a method as eat. These are not their own methods, but these are the methods which were present in the base class. So basically we can avoid the duplicacy and error in these cases. So in this way inheritance is being used. Now coming to the types of inheritance. So there are 5 types of inheritance. So first one is single inheritance, second one is hierarchical, third one is multiple, fourth one is multi-level, and fifth one is hybrid. So we will be having a quick look on types of inheritances in the next video. Till then, if you are someone who is liking my content, please hit the like button. If you are someone who is new to my channel and wants to stay updated about tech related content and more content on off-campus job and intern hiring, can go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you are someone who has any kind of comment or any kind of feedback for the ongoing series, can go ahead and give me, so that I can take this into the consideration from the next videos. Also, if you have any kind of appreciation, also please do comment if you like the series, because this will motivate me to bring some more series for the same. This series is not something which will be very like from the beginner to everything. I'm not saying that like that it is a very advanced series, but yeah, this series will help you to get your concepts clear, get yourself revision. Even if you are appearing for any kind of job preparation or interview preparation, this series would be very helpful, because I am touching each and every part of OOPS in this particular series. So till then, if you are someone who is liking this content, also share it among your friends. Take care, keep learning, keep growing. Bye all.